Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, in this video, I am reviewing the Aggressive Scalper EA and I am going through everything directly on the MQL5 marketplace page, while breaking down its features, settings, and historical testing behavior. So starting with the overview, this is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Alexei Yagneshko. It's currently priced at 100 US dollars with version 1.65 updated on June 24th, 2022, and it includes 10 activations. Now, looking at the description, the EA is built around a very direct approach to price movement. The developer explains that it focuses on immediate market reactions and aims to capture small price movements quickly, with a strong emphasis on execution speed and tight market behavior. Now, moving into how it operates, the EA uses market orders and is designed to place both take profit and stop loss levels on every trade. It also includes a trailing stop function, which is described as a key component for locking in gains as price moves in favor of the position. Now, one important detail here is the flexibility in position sizing. The EA can work with a fixed lot size, or it can calculate trade volume based on a percentage of the deposit. That gives some control over how aggressively the account is exposed to market movement. Now, going into the requirements section, the developer recommends using a broker with tight spreads, and also highlights that the trailing stop function is essential for proper operation. The EA is intended to run on M5 or M15 timeframes, and ECN account types are suggested. It's also mentioned that VPS usage is recommended to help maintain stable execution. Now, there is also a recommendation about symbol selection. The EA is suggested to work better on pairs with higher daily movement ranges, such as Euro USD, USD CAD, and GBP USD, based on their volatility characteristics. Now, moving into the settings, I can see several filters and controls that allow some level of customization. There is a moving average filter option, um, you know, a bar based filter, and even the signal reverse option, which allows traders to flip the logic if needed. There is also a setting for closing positions when reverse signals appear, which helps manage trade direction changes. Risk management settings are also included, such as take profit and stop loss, defined in points or even in deposit currency terms. There is also a trailing stop configuration, including activation level and distance settings, which determines how closely the EA follows price once a move develops. Now, position sizing can be managed through either fixed lot input or a risk percentage setting. And there are also controls for maximum orders, maximum lot size, and spread filtering. Okay, so these parameters mainly influence how frequently the EA trades and how much exposure it takes during active market conditions. Now, moving into the back testing section, I'm going to be reviewing you know the results, the historical results, and the chart behavior. Okay, this is based on the completed testing data that we're going to have, and even the ongoing testing data. We're just going to head over to the strategy tester right now, testing the aggressive scalper on one of the recommended pairs, EU, and on M15. Okay, so we have the aggressive scalper. We are going to be testing it on Euro USD M15 time frame. We're going to be testing it just over the past month, okay, for want of time. So let's just start the test immediately. All right. So the focus here is purely on how the EA performed during past market conditions rather than predicting future outcomes. We can see the EA already active. One trade has already been executed. From what I can observe on the chart, the EA appears to react quickly to short-term price movement. You can see that this particular trade was actually capturing just short-term price movements. All right. Okay, let's just keep it going. See if extra trades are gonna be taken within a short time. Okay, we have another trade executed, alongside the take profit level. Okay, so um the reaction to the quick reaction to short-term price movement, kind of aligns with the aggressive scalping description provided in the marketplace. Then we have the trade activity seems concentrated around small price fluctuations, with exits likely influenced by trailing stop behavior and predefined take profit levels. Now, because this is a scalping based system, the frequency of trades in the historical data is, you know, um, we would be expecting it to be noticeably higher compared to slower trading systems, right? Which is expected based on the strategy description. So, the test is concluded already. Let's just head over to the report. Okay, so we can see that the EA actually did not perform as expected. So this the initial deposit $50,000, total net profits negative 50,400. So the account basically got blown, and well, total trades taken, we are free, and largest profit was $5,000, largest loss was $59,000, average profit 4,300, average loss $59,000. Well, based on the tests that we conducted just now, the EA didn't perform as expected, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. And you know in terms of results, this remains historical backtest performance, and it is important to understand that outcomes can vary significantly depending on broker spreads, execution speed, slippage, risk settings, and market conditions. All right. I would also recommend running longer term testing and optimization yourself, especially across different market phases, to get a clearer understanding of how the EA behaves in both trending and ranging conditions. Overall, the Aggressive Scalper EA is a fast reacting automated system built around tight market movements, configurable risk settings, and trailing stop management. Like any high frequency style EA, proper testing and broker conditions play a major role in how it performs in real environments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.